Hi, we are from Cloud and Loud. Cloud and Loud is helping professionals for past 9 years to loud better in any niche technologies with real-time use cases in their own lab. The idea here is the more you fail in your own lab POCs, the more you learn real-time hands-on knowledge. We are starting our Loud via our YouTube channel to help with latest training, automations, or any automation scripts, architecture review, solutions, ready-made all solutions, technical query assistance in every 15 days, a technical discussion also on a chosen topic every month, uh, pre-built resume templates. So and it will continue so far based on the queries. Feel free to engage with us using our mail ID or Google form. Will help you with detailed explanations. So the idea here is you learn anything with use cases in your own lab. So we will help you to build lab in your laptop or Google Cloud or whatever setup you have. So we'll give you a detailed procedure and prerequisites and steps, and if there is any commands required to set up the lab. So basically this program is going to take 5 months. First, all the trainings, at the end of the each training, there will be a use cases. Also, we will arrange the query session. So you raise all your queries and get it clarified. And also, we will give you a lot of ready-made solutions and automation scripts. If you have any more solution consultation or any security assessment or any architecture review, please submit your details in the provided Google form. We will help you to review and provide you a detailed assessment. So basically, the DevOps roadmap. These days, many people are looking for upgrade themselves to meet their industry standards, either for a new job or their project purpose. But many of them are directly going for any learning without having a base confident. So we are almost started entering as a code, everything as a code. So as long as you are following this roadmap, you will be really good. Basically, first you need to start with Linux administration, because if you are really strong in Linux and Linux commands, end-to-end Linux setup and how to configure the entire Linux infrastructure, then in job or in production to manage cloud using any automation tool, it will be really easy for you. So basically, we will also start with Linux. Slowly, we will build all advanced Linux administration with all use cases. Also, we will start provide the exercise and advanced use cases. Then we will move on to the cloud. Right now, there is a two monopoly cloud, AWS or Azure. So we will cover both AWS and Azure. So instead of directly going to the cloud services, many people never interested to learn how to first what is cloud and how to size a cloud, how to automate cloud via DevOps or via tools. And if there is any production workload increases, how to size it. So all those things we would recommend professionals to understand it. And further, we will move on to Ansible, and Terraform. First of all, most of the clients now looking for Ansible as well as Terraform automation. These days, any project, if you go for any automation to cloud or on-premises, you have to have either Ansible knowledge and Terraform knowledge. Then we will move on to DevOps tools, CI/CD pipeline. Everywhere now they are situating as a pipeline to accomplish any task. And now we are everywhere talking about microservices using containerization. So we will also help you to learn Docker and Kubernetes from the real-time project point of view, plus use cases. Based on this, you can easily project yourself as a DevOps architect. Of course, if you have any further queries with respect to the learning topic or the real-time use cases, please feel free to engage with us. We are happy to help you. To start with, most of the people now, they started asking Azure. So we will start with Azure. Parallelly, we will go with Linux, Ansible, AWS, Terraform, Jenkins CI/CD pipeline, then Docker Kubernetes. So in Azure, we will also I'll go through the high-level topics: cloud insight and cloud sizing. How to size a cloud? If you go to any new project or existing project, how to size a cloud? What is functional requirements? What is non-functional requirements? What are the cloud types? What is private cloud? What is public cloud? What is hybrid cloud? Then we will go on to the Azure services, VM and storage, and we will talk about the networking. So you should not learn just networking. You should go for a hands-on VNet to VNet. Why we need it? VNet gateway to VNet gateway. Why we need it? Point to point tunnel. Why we need it? So we will discuss with use cases with hands-on and auto scaling. How auto scaling works in Azure and Azure copy on-prem, between on-prem and cloud. Then we'll also go to Kubernetes, how Kubernetes works, how to set up, how the containerization work, how to create an image, how to push the image, and using that image, how to automate in Kubernetes cluster, and Azure App Services, how we can utilize app services from the Azure Container Service. Then also we are going to see Azure DevOps, how to create a pipeline, how to create a releases, and Azure Site Recovery. What is site recovery? Why we need it? And what kind of a situation you need to apply it? And hybrid integration. So how you can integrate on-prem with Azure Cloud and Azure Data Analytics. So what is data? What is the data types? Why we need a data types so much concern? And what kind of a data set? What kind of a Azure services we are going to handle it? So pretty much we are going to cover one by one. Please stay tuned. For Azure training, okay, you need to have all this listed prerequisites must needed in activated state. You need portal.azure.com. After you created this account, you must activate that account. Make sure you are able to create one VM at least, which means your account is fully activated, trial account. And you need to have one CentOS Linux machine. If you have externally, well and good. If you don't have, don't worry. You can launch one CentOS Linux machine in Azure, your trial account itself. And you need to have hub.docker.com account. You need to have github.com account. You need to have activated dev.azure.com account. You use the same username password as portal.azure.com. And this is our YouTube channel. You can stay tuned so that you can get a lot of updates around the technical as well as the new upcoming architectures. This is our mail ID. You can feel free to reach us anytime. Thanks for everyone.